What's up, guys? So we're here with Freddy's truck. Today we're looking at probably the last day they'll be here. Hopefully, maybe he might pick it up tomorrow. I spoke to him. So the last thing we're gonna do is so on these 0306 steering wheels you have these the volume and sync button. That's for like your radio, change the radio station, turn up and down the volume. So what I did is I got a little 3D printed frame of this, and I put the button for the boost controller, and then I got the retractable cord, so you can turn the steering wheel both ways. It's not gonna get caught up. So now I'm gonna set this up so like if he's, let's say he's on 12 pounds of boost, it has, let's say 3 boost settings, you know, from 12 pounds to 24 pounds. So I'm gonna set it up, for example, at 12 pounds he's gonna take off. Every time he hits it, it's gonna hit 15 pounds, 18 pounds, 20 pounds, 24 pounds. So like every time he hit it, it's gonna go to the next boost setting. So I'm sure he'll like it. He doesn't know I'm doing this, and I put it in a pretty cool location. So then I got this cord, so just need to finish that up. And we did this too for the street. He said in case he wants to, like, you know, race somebody on the street in Mexico, that way you can do this. If you take off, let's say on 20 pounds, you know, the truck makes 800-900 horsepower on 20 pounds. You don't want to just go like 900 horsepower all at once, because you can probably break the tires loose. It's pretty much like you could ramp in the boost as you like. So finally, this is the last piece of the puzzle after the 5th time I said this. So everything was going good. It just flex plate that was on the truck already was the incorrect one for the For the yank converter we're putting into it, which has different patterns. It's still, they're both 6-bolt, but just a different pattern. I'm about to give up on this thing. There it is. Flex TCI flywheel. That's the spacer, which we don't need. There it is. So right there, TCI flex plate. They're gonna match it up, double check it. Got the converter here up in the top of the transmission jack. Got a jing up on the left, but no, it's not Chewy's. Somebody else. I pull out the engine right there. Alright, so we got the flex plate test fitted, lined up. So we got the 3 bolts on there. This flex plate specifically, the one we got, well, this one has, it's a 6-bolt, but this one carries both patterns. So it has a wider pattern and the narrower one. So you can use it for both of them. You just have to like pretty much change it. So it's not that these are not lining up or nothing, it's just this flex plate comes like that. You can measure the distance from here and from this one are different. This one's the same as that one. These 3 are the same distance from the center, and this one's offset a little bit more. So that's why we got this flex plate, so that's on there. Guys, just to remind y'all, don't forget, don't miss out on the 4-rate stroker we're giving away. We already got a lot of people interested. I appreciate everybody who's purchased your stickers and shirts. I appreciate all the support, and we'll get everything out to y'all, whoever has ordered their stuff. And if you haven't, don't miss out. So regardless if you have a car or truck, or let's say, oh, I don't have a use for that motor, if you win a motor, that motor retails for like $5,400 bucks. So if you win a motor for a shirt, you can sell it quick, you know, get some off of it. And if you do have a car or truck, then that's a good start for any build you're trying to do, whether it's all motor, turbo, nitrous, refrigerator for the 12 to 1300 horsepower. So don't miss out on it. So just to demonstrate how I have it set up, it's pretty, I mean, it's just a quick setting right now. So you got the button here, so I'm gonna ground it down. It's hooked up. Now if you look at the boost controller, we're at SP1, SP2, SP3, SP4, and then it's 5th boost setting. So you could be doing that while going down the track, just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. Depends how fast it's trying to go, is how many times it's gonna click it. So if you're trying to get, you know, somebody's passing you up quick, you know, you hit it 5 times to your highest boost setting, or you go up to like 7 boost settings. It's kind of hard to do going down the track, so having your hands on the steering wheel and doing it right here, but it helps a lot. So it's pretty cool. I'll show you again. We'll give it a little test right there. Okay, so right there is at 0, so you hit it once, SP2, SP3, SP4, SP5, and that was all done by pressing the red button right here on the steering wheel. You can probably barely tell in the camera, it's so hard to catch it, but yeah. So you know, you're going down the track, you know, you take off, you know, you just want to do a regular pass, you leave it alone. But if you have, like, you're trying to race somebody, or you're having traction issues or whatever, you know, you can take off on the first boost setting. Let's say it's 10 pounds, 12 pounds, we go up to 24 pounds at 100%. So you know, take off on 12 pounds, and then, you know, it'll be like 14, 16, 18, 20, 24, 22, 24. So unless you're just gonna go to 12, or like he's at the line, like, oh, I want to do a pass on 14 pounds, the truck's looking, hit it twice and it's ready. So that's pretty cool. So in case somebody wants one, let me know. I had bought a couple a while back. I forgot I had them, but I think they're pretty neat. You know, you can put your button right there and just comes out to the back. Well, I drill it out, and then, you know, you can put some things on there. So now that this is figured out, I've already set this up. For now, we're gonna get the truck on the lift. We're gonna finally put the new flex plate on there and slap the transmission on, and that was pretty much it. And it should be ready to hit the streets again. So.
The ball is bent, you know.
A few inches later. 12 seconds later. Eventually.
Alright, so this is a flex plate that was on the truck already with the circuitry converter, but the yang converter is a little different, so we need to run this one out. So all we're gonna do is just swap it out, pretty much. Swap it out, place it with this one, and we should be putting the trans on again. We had already put it on, but sadly we had to take it off. We thought it was the same flex plate, but this is the one we put it on now. Alright, so there it is. We're getting the trailer. We're not wrapping the whole trailer, but we're just getting some decals on it. We're putting decals on both sides, something in the back, you know, with our Instagram, our Facebook, our YouTube, all that stuff. So we want to start going to events outside of Houston, outside of Texas. So now we got that. So while we're working, they dropped off this Camaro. It's a 5th gen, obviously. So yeah, it's a ECS supercharger, Leo's cammed and everything. So yeah, it has a problem with the blower. As it looks, we're gonna have to replace the blower, and probably since it's here, we might do some more little upgrades. So this is another project that's coming in to the shop now. Yeah, the seats are nice, but yeah, I'm sure it caught something from back there, or the filter. Sometimes they do that too, like Omar's filter from their turbo. Eventually they go in there if you have the wrong one. So that's what happened, because the blower's pretty cooked going on. So we got turbos, we got blowers, we got all kinds of stuff. So talking about blowers, I have a little surprise on the we're gonna do a burnout truck for the shop. It's gonna have a blown setup supercharger, so it's just a little teaser. When we have a chance, we'll probably roll it into the shop, and we're gonna try to make a video of like building the truck in like 2 days or something.
Dance prod.
Guys, as always, comment, like, and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget, don't miss out on the 4-rate structure giveaway we're having. velocitypartsperformance.bigcartel.com. Get your merch, get your stickers, decals to enter the giveaway. It's gonna end August 1st, so don't miss out. Get more entries, from stickers to shirts. All of them have different amount of entries, and a sticker and a shirt depends on the size sticker, but you get like 5 entries or 6 entries is the bigger stickers in total. So yeah, don't miss out on that, and subscribe to our channel again. Keep watching for other videos, like Freddy's project is done, and now we're going to our next one, and now we're waiting for the built motor on the F-150, and now we're gonna start on a burnout truck. So I have to have it in the, I guess, set on the setup. I guess it'll be a little surprise on what we're doing to that one. So y'all stay tuned.